Installing WordPress at a hosting company is actually really simple. Once again, our good friends over at GlowHost offer some really great hosting for your WordPress site. I'm going to click on Elastic Sites Hosting. This is probably their most flexible choice. It allows you to have unlimited sites on a VPS-like system for about $25 a month. Now, that may seem expensive, and they do have cheaper options, but this is a really great plan. If you're only going to manage one site, you can get this great hosting for $14. But at $25 a month for unlimited sites, it's a really good deal. You can see all of the options here that are available. You'll just click Order Now, register a new domain, or tell them you've already got the domain. Click Continue, put in your payment information, and in just a few minutes you'll get an email that'll get you all set and on your way. Follow all of the instructions in the email and then head over to your control panel. All right, so I've logged into my cPanel here at GlowHost, and they give us just the most easy way to install WordPress. Yes, you can do it manually, but why do it manually when they provide a fantastic script right down here under Apps Installer for WordPress? Just go ahead and click that once. And GlowHost is going to present us with a screen that just gives us some good information. I'm going to go ahead and click Install Now. You'll notice it's the most up-to-date version. And since this is a demo account, I'm going to leave this information here, but I'll put it in a different directory. I'll call it WordPress 5. We'll leave the site description the way it is. And we'll definitely change this password, making sure it's strong. Here under the advanced options, you can change the database name and table prefix. You can also enable the auto upgrades, which actually I suggest you should do, but we'll leave it off for now. And we'll just leave all of this at the defaults. I'm also going to just install the default themes rather than choosing one here. And then I'm going to put my email address in here. So it's going to let me know when this is done. Click Install. And literally, that's all you need to do. And it's done. So if I click on the URL right here, there is my brand new WordPress site in almost no time at all. As I said earlier, you can do this the manual way, but GlowHost gives you the option to do it so much easier using their installer. I'd encourage you to check that out, and we're off to the next video.